Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a simple login automation and how it fails to handle different scenarios. I will use this Acme system on website to show today's demo. So let me show you that simple process. So this is a simple login automation. Here bot opens the browser, gives the email, gives the password and clicks on the login button. So let me first run the bot. So it will open the website and it will give the email, password and login. And you see bot successfully logged into the website. Okay, but let me show you a different scenario. If someone logged into this website and close the browser without logout, then what happens? Let me run it again. So here what will happen when bot will open the browser, then bot will not get the login page. Bot will directly get inside the website. So in that case bot will not get the type email field and it will get faulted. So in actual project our bot should not get faulted. We need to handle these different situations inside the code. So let me show you a different code that I have built that has the ability to handle these different scenarios. Okay, so on that process also I will first show you the happy path. Okay, let me close this browser. So you can see this is a different process that I have built. So let me run this on. So here also it will open the website first, it will type the email, it will type the password and it will log into the website. Okay, you can see it successfully logged into the website. But let me show you the for the other scenario. Okay, so here also I am not logging out of the website and directly closing this. So let me run this one and see how this is performing. So here also it will open the website but it will not get the login page, rather than it will directly get inside the website. So in that case what bot should do, bot should first log out and try to log in again. And you see bot bot will successfully log into the website. So you see bot successfully log in. So let me show you the output of this process. Okay, here what is doing, after opening the website, first bot is checking that if the login page has appeared or not. So here you can see in the log message bot login page did not open. So what bot is doing, bot is trying to log out and log in again. Then again bot has seen the login page appeared, then bot has typing the user id and password, then clicking on the login button, then successfully logged into the website. So in our actual project our bot should work like this. It should handle the different situations. In the next video I'll show you step by step how you can also build the login process that can handle different situations. Thank you for watching.